Welcome to the last part of the 29th What Mortgage Awards presentation. Let me hand over for one final time to your hosts Kate Sains and Deborah Hindley.
We've now reached the final section of this year's awards presentation.
As you all know by now, all the winners and highly commended have been chosen by the public following a nomination and voting process. So before we proceed, we'd like to say a huge thank you to everyone who took the time to vote.
In this final section, we will reveal who the public has voted as the best lenders in the UK, including the best overall lender, which will be announced at the end.
As you can imagine, this was a very hotly contested section. We have divided the awards up into a number of categories to enable you to see how various lenders compare to their competitors.
You'll find out which building society, buy-to-let providers and lenders of first-time buyer products have been voted as the best in the UK by the public.
We'll also find out which banks have the best mortgage service and offerings according to the customers.
So, without further ado, let's find out the winners in our final section of this year What Mortgage Awards.
Thank you, ladies, and with that, we're on to our first category, which is Best Variable Rate Mortgage Lender. In this category, we have two highly commended, and it's TSB and Principality Building Society. Over to you, Kate.
And the winner is Furness Building Society.
The next category is Best Fixed Rate Mortgage Lender. The highly commended are Nationwide and Newcastle Building Society. Over to Deb.
And the winner is TSB.
Best Remortgage Lender. Highly commended are NatWest and Barclays.
The winner is Santander.
The next category is Best Lender Website. Your highly commended are Virgin Money and Landbay.
The winner is More to Lie.
Best Mortgage Lender for First-Time Buyers. Highly commended is Halifax and Newcastle Building Society.
And the lender voted by the public as the best at helping first-time buyers onto the property ladder is Nationwide.
Best Bank Customer Service. The highly commended in this category are Halifax and First Direct.
The winner is NatWest.
Best National Bank. The highly commended are Barclays and Halifax.
And the bank voted by What Mortgage readers as the best this year is NatWest.
Best Building Society Customer Service. Your highly commended are Nationwide and Harpenden Building Society.
It's not just the high street banks offering mortgages. The many building societies are also a huge part of the mortgage scene, offering a range of products for different needs. The winner of this first Building Society category award for Best Customer Service is Principality Building Society.
The next category is Best Local Building Society. The highly commended are Scottish Building Society and Hinckley and Rugby Building Society.
And the winner is Harpenden Building Society.
Best Regional Building Society. Highly commended are Furness Building Society and Nottingham Building Society.
The winner is Newcastle Building Society.
We caught up with the team at Newcastle Building Society to ask them about winning this award, and this is what they had to say. It's always a great honour to be recognised for the things we do. A lot of people work very hard throughout the year to make the possibility of home ownership a reality for as many of our customers as possible. A huge thank you first and foremost to everyone who did vote, because your faith in us is seen and felt across the Newcastle Building Society and gives us the confidence to continue delivering our very best for our home owners. Best National Building Society. The highly commended are Leeds Building Society and Nationwide.
And the winner is Skipton Building Society.
And our next category is Best Online Lender. The highly commended are HSBC and First Direct.
So many more people are now taking out their mortgages online. So we're really excited to announce the winner in this category is Atom Bank.
Best Intermediary Lender. The highly commended are NatWest Intermediary Solutions and Santander for intermediaries.
And here they are again. The winners of this category is Skipton Building Society.
It's amazing news to get 2 awards. Best Intermediary Lender, fantastic award, very important award, and then to follow it up with Best National Building Society. And I can't get over 9 years in a row. That's absolutely astounding. So absolutely thrilled. Awards are really important because what it really brings about is validating all the hard work and effort that goes on behind the scenes to bring, really strong propositions to the market, all the investment that we've made in our tech, all the support that we give brokers in terms of like the Skipton Talks webcasts and podcasts and everything that we do. So I think when you bring these back and you can share that with colleagues from the society, they're absolutely thrilled. It means a lot.
Really well put. Thank you, Charlotte. And with that, it's on to the next category, which is Best Direct Lender. Highly commended are Halifax and First Direct.
The winner is TSB.
And your penultimate category today is Best Buy-to-Let Mortgage Lender, with the highly commended of Keystone Property Finance and Nationwide.
The winner in this, the second to last category of our award, is Lambay.
And finally, our final category, Best Overall Lender. The highly commended in this category are TSB and Skipton Building Society.
This has undoubtedly been the most competitive category. So let's find out who the home buying public has voted as their ultimate winner in this year's What Mortgage Awards. It's Halifax.
Congratulations to all the winners and highly commended in the lenders section.
Yes, and congratulations to the winners in all the categories we have announced in the last 2 days.
Thank you to everyone who's joined us for this very special event, and of course to all those people who've took the time to nominate and voted as part of the awards section process. We couldn't hold these awards without you.
Thank you, and see you next year.
A huge congratulations to all the nominees in our mortgage lenders categories. Thank you to our hosts, Kate Sains and Deborah Hindley, and thank you to you at home for watching our awards presentation, and we hope to see you again next year.